Today we got the 1994 Honda Accord. We are gonna take a look at putting on a new air intake. Let's go check it out. Here's the video of the new cold air intake. There you go. Got that sound, got that drive, got that pickup. What? Okay, I'm just kidding, but it still sounds kind of cool. It's the daily driver. What more can you ask for? There's the pieces. So let's see if we can get it done. I was gonna clean out the engine bay before I did this, but let's go ahead and get it done. Ordered this off of Amazon. I don't even remember what brand it was. Just a basic cheap brand. I ain't looking to kill the world. I just drive back and forth to work. Thought it'd be cool. First thing we're gonna do is take off the current air filter, which
that just slides on out of there.
If you looked in my video, you would know that really nothing to it. Showed you how to clean your air filter, maybe save a little money.
Just squeeze on this little guy here, take it off, just pinches right off, slide it on down, and that guy should just come right on out. This guy back here, little screw here just holding it on to the intake.
That's what we're changing. There's a regular air filter intake. Supposedly cold air gives you some more horsepower. You know, the daily driver could use the extra horsepower. Alright.
Realistically, this should just slide on out.
Thing.
Careful you don't yank anything out that shouldn't be coming yanked off.
That's it. Now we gotta get out the rest of the air filter box and we should be good to go. Imagine that, it's a 10mm.
I just carried it in my back pocket.
Hey, you helping? What you got? Hummingbirds. They'll be back. And that's it. 2 bolts and you're out. Ooh-wee. Pretty. So obviously it comes with the flanges you need to hook everything up. So we will get those out, get them installed.
China. I need to put one on that side and one on that side for the intake.
Alright, so now we're just gonna kind of slide that on there. Probably won't tighten it up. Go. Just got that on there. We won't make that too tight, just so that we can have a little bit of room for adjustment. The one that looks like this. Go grab it. No, it's on the trunk. Go get it off the trunk.
Over here, T.
Be real careful.
What's that one for?
Hey, Papa.
No, I'm just gonna put the...
Alright, so to do this right, your air filter actually goes down in there. So we got to get underneath the car to take that out. We're going to go ahead and jack it up to make it easier. Alright, so we got the car jacked up. I'm going to go ahead and take out the holding screw right there.
It's just a clip.
Okay, we just pulled that one off. Got that clip out. 10mm bolt. Got that one bolt out. And there's one on the back of it holding it in as well. So it's only got 2 bolts holding it in. Just a screw clip. Take clip.
You want to put it right here? Here's your other bolt right behind your wheel well.
Alright. That's all. Huh. And you gotta have the car jacked up to get it out from underneath. Now we're ready to install the big dog. So what you want to do here is you want to put the silver, you want to put this on first. Just really helps out as far as getting it tight and knowing that you have it installed properly.
Where'd you find Daddy?
This. I'm showing you this. And I brushed my teeth.
That's not for your
Yeah, I
teeth.
wouldn't brush your teeth with that, huh, T? You gonna brush your teeth with that? Alright, we're just gonna tighten that up. They're pretty tight.
Want it?
Yeah, that's good. Gonna run it up through there. Nice and easy. And then we're gonna hook it in right here. I got this. Alright.
That's okay. That reflection was confusing me there.
Yeah, it did me too. Alright, so we got it. You can see it's there. Now we're going to work on these brackets that they give you. Alright, so the last piece is putting in the piece of tubing. Right there. Well, like the last guy we looked, he wasn't sure where those mounting plates went in, but we went ahead and used that one there. Put a piece of wire on here. Obviously I'm going to cut this off, and I mean this thing is rock solid. I mean, especially from here to here is a rock solid. She's in. The tube right there. Don't forget to put your tube back in. There it is. Start it up. Let's give it a test run.